Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Ri. So today I'll be talking about what do you bring in the table? What are you bringing in the table? So this question has been disturbing so many Kenyans, so many Africans, and people from world countries, third world countries, first world countries. This question has been disturbing very much. So today I want to address this question, and this is how I feel about this question. So, what do you bring to the table? Men ask ladies this, and women ask men this, and beautiful girls and boys uh, ask each other about this question. So, what do you bring in the table? I think, according to my IQ and mindset, I think what do you bring to the table, or what are you bringing to the table, is a selfish question when we are talking about money. When we are talking about money, this is a very, very selfish question. It should be about values. If what I am bringing to the table, it is supposed to be caused by my values that I am presenting to you, how I present myself to you as a human being, not because I don't have money or I have money. Because some people have been putting this under money. If it's under money, it's a selfish decision. So this is my take on this, and I believe that if you agree with your partner that we are going to share the bills, or we are going to split the bills like 50-50 or 20-70 or like that, it's upon to you and your spouse or your partner. But this is a very crucial topic when it comes to discussing these things, because some people feels like sometimes it feels like it's a way of offending others. It's a way of being what can I say, being looking to your partner like you're bringing problem to a relationship, or to your to your business as partners. So if we are talking about money, it's a selfish decision. But if there is an agreement between you, I bring this, you bring this. If it's about you, or I pay the bills, all of it, or I do this, all the things, all of it, without even needing you, it's also a organized idea. It depends with the partners. But if it's about money, it must be a selfish decision. Thank you.